Now, we are going to learn how to access elements from a list using something called indexing. Now that we've created a list, the next logical step is to understand how to get specific items from that list. And Python makes this super easy using index numbers. Let's go back to our Python file listdemo.py. We'll continue from where we left off. Let's start with a fresh list. Let's create a list called fruits equals within square brackets, within double quotes apple, within double quotes banana, within double quotes cherry, within double quotes mango. Now let's say we want to access the first item in this list. We type first item equals fruits 0. This line means get the item at index 0 from the list called fruits and store it in a variable called first item. Now let's print it. We type print function within brackets double quotes first item colon then comma first item. When we run this, the output will be first item apple. That's because in Python indexing starts from 0. So the positions are the 0 for apple, 1 for banana, 2 for cherry, 3 for mango. Let's now access the third item. We type third item equals fruit open bracket 2 close bracket, then print it, print function within brackets double quotes third item colon comma third item. When we run this, it prints third item cherry. That's right, because cherry is at position number 2. Let's try one more. Accessing the last item, we type last item equals fruit open bracket 3 close bracket, then print function within brackets double quotes last item colon comma last item. This gives us last item mango. But what if we don't know how many items are in the list? There's another way, using negative indexing. In Python you can access the last item by using -1 as the index. Let's try. Last third item alt equals fruits left bracket -1 right bracket, then print function within brackets double quotes last item using negative index colon comma last item alt. It still gives last item using negative index mango. So yes, negative indexing works like this. -1 gives you the last item, -2 gives you the second last, -3 gives you the third last, and so on. A quick caution: if you try to access an index that doesn't exist, Python will show an error. For example, if you type fruits of index 10, that will cause an index error because the list only has 4 items. So always be careful with index values. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Python list store items in order and each item has an index. Indexing starts from 0, not 1. You can access items using their position inside square brackets. Negative indexing lets you go backwards, starting from the end, and always be careful not to use indexes that are out of range.